What's up, guys? Bradley's Garage here, bringing you another quick video about Copart and the easiest, quickest way to find out the final bid history, the final price paid for a Copart car. As you can see, this is our Beamer that we had another video about. We paid $1,200. We showed you the receipt in our video. This was from March of 2019, so a while ago. So if you refresh it, we don't have any secret sauce here. I will show you what that means in a second. We used to use this Auto AStat website. Used to be really good at finding out the final price paid, the final bid price. But now you search for it and everything is, you got to upgrade, and they want you to pay 15 bucks a month. So they got greedy. But it used to work really good. You used to just register with a valid email address. They send you a link. You become a little quote-unquote free member, and all of the history was here, available free. But apparently in the last couple months they got greedy. So now we'll just show you some cars that we actually watched the auction live, like we were bidding. And we didn't win any of these, by the way, but we were watching them. So this was just recent, in the last couple of months. So if you are on the Copart website and you are not signed in, so do not sign in as a member. Just stay, Joe Blow public, right? You hit the refresh button, okay? And then I want you guys to pay attention here in this lot sold area, okay? Because if there's a little glitch that we discovered recently in the Copart website. So you hit refresh and the price, boom, pops up right here in this section. I'm gonna do it again for you. Boom. Okay, so we watched this. We know the car sold for $10,300. This is another car in San Diego, a couple hours south of us, that we were actually live in San Diego. We're watching it. Hit refresh. Boom. $7,900 was the price that one sold for. A little GTI, also in San Diego, sold for $4,000. So you see it pop up real quick right there. So like I said, our car that we bought, we're thinking that somewhere around 3 to 6 months it gets purged, and then now the information is zero on our car because it was from more than a year ago. But yeah, just a quick little glitch. You ever want to look up recent cars that sold, you're like, wonder what that Ferrari or Lamborghini sold for? Just get on there, don't log in, hit refresh, and boom, you might have to do it a couple times depending on how fast your computer is. And there you go. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Feel free to give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and catch you on the next one. Peace.